They literally are perfect decoration that can be hanged everywhere. You can use on your journal, you can use as hanging decoration in your room, you can put it on the little box as a like gift topper, happy mail, anything. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please, you're so very welcome. Right guys, before we crack on with today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you to the new subscribers that recently joined the channel, and to my new followers on my Facebook group. The group is growing so fast and so much. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you that also take the time to share the projects on the group, and it makes a really interactive community. Thank you so much also for the lovely feedback that I'm having from all of you guys on the newsletter, that you find very useful, that you like the freebie that I send every Friday. Yeah, I just want to say thank you. I'm really pleased that you guys enjoy that as well. So today I'm so excited because I saw this on Pinterest so many times and I really wanted to give it a go at making it. They literally are perfect decoration that can be hanged everywhere. You can use on your journal, you can use as hanging decoration in your room, you can put it on the little box as a like gift topper, happy mail, anything. So I've done three. In fact, let me show them first and then I'll show you what I have used. So this is one, and I've used these lovely images from a kit from Tailor Made Journals, which I will put the link listed in the info box. Lorna designed this lovely kits, and you know guys how much I love play with digital kits. And I'm happy to to work with different creators and do collaboration, because I really love them and they're super fun. So this kit, which I'll show you in just a minute, is all about spring and floral and animals, really pretty. And I thought that what's perfect for exactly the look I was going for, so hence why I use it for this project. So this one I used some music note paper on the back, the bird and the lovely flowers, and also you saw me already making these little angels. In case you missed it, I will put the link here in the info bar as well, so you can go and refer it to that video. I love making angel charms like that. They're super fun. So that's one. And what you do, guys, you cover your puzzle, you create two holes, and then you can hang anything that you like. So that's one. Number two is a lovely owl with some, what's the name of this flower? Pansies, whatever. Again, so put some music notes on the back. A little, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bit of to be fair, it was a scrap piece of paper doily. I thought it looks quite pretty, so I left this quite simple. And then number three is this one, which I went a bit over the top, but I really like it. So I put the music note, the lovely shoe with a flower, a little butterfly there, the music note, as I said, and then she is one of my dolls from Team Hall. So I got these off eBay, I think, or Amazon. No, Amazon, I think. You got millions, literally got so many. So yeah, she's so cute. Look at her. And I forgot to say, everything has been distressed with the lovely Gilda. So in case you don't know, and your first time you watch my videos, well, I'm obsessed with this. This is a drag for me. So yeah, it's a gilding wax called Gold Renaissance from Pajeo. And then on here I just put one of these dangling beads thing. Okay, so that's the three I made, and I'm definitely gonna make some more for Christmas, for my Christmas happy mail, because I think they're super cute. So what I have used, I got this last year on the Christmas sale. They're from Marks & Spencer. They are gigantic pieces of festive fun double-sided puzzle. So you've got the corners, you've got all different pieces, and they're quite big. So they are, so to the bigger point, they are 3 inches by 2.5 inches, which is in metric is 7 centimeters by 6 centimeters, so they're quite big. And I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna make 3 other sets of 3, because I like things to be in 3. Do you guys like things to be in 3? Is it just me being a bit OTD with this? But yes, things need to be in 3. And then I bought this from eBay, super cheap. She put a little message, thank you for supporting my small business. They are little necklace chain. I'm sure you can find this everywhere. I think I want to say 50p each. I really can't remember. I bought this when I knew that I wanted to make this project, and I finally got the time to sit down and making it. So that's that. Okay, so let me show you the lovely kit from Tailor Made Journals. I've got it here. So should I zoom out a tiny bit? There you go. Can you see that there? Yes, you can. So you get a lot of pages full of flowers and birds, and this is me, like literally Victorian style flowers. That's so me. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, hello, that is me. Got loads of different flowers. Oh, that's the shoe that I have used there, and that's the owl that I used in there. That's the bird. And then you've got that's what I've used as well. So yeah, you can fussy cut it as you please. You can print this on vellum and add some really nice printed vellum. You've got literally all different flowers and colours, but if you can see, guys, it's so bright. That's what I like about this kit. I mean, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And that's pretty. And that with the little bird carrying kind of little male. Again, more hands. Oh, the beautiful lady. I wish I had those hands. My hands are absolutely horrible. But I'm just curing it now, so hopefully in a couple of months go back to normal, so I can go back to wear my wedding ring, because at the moment I can't. So, but I'm still married, happily married to my Jamie. Got some flowers. I mean, look at the cages, so pretty. And I think, I'm not sure if that's part of this kit of the other Christmas kit that I have from Tailor Made Journal, because I made another video, and I will put the link down below, so don't quote me on this. I think it's here by mistake. Right, guys, that is it for today. I love them, absolutely love them. I hope you like them too. Let me know which one you prefer most. So we got 1, 2, 3. I will say my favorite one is this one with a little angel. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.